Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Yes, I look like this. I am having a bad day. There's a ketchup stain from eating french fries right there. I think I deserve a break. I'm procrastinating so bad. That is disgusting, guys. Everywhere is cleaned. Where do I start? Well, first of all, my room is disgusting and I need to clean. Do I want to clean? No. I'm gonna do it anyways for the vlog because my room is looking like a battlefield. But yeah, welcome to today's vlog where we clean Marcella's nasty room. And if y'all want to act like your room's not dirty right now, don't lie. I know that your room's not clean. I know it. I know there's some things that could be picked up. So if you're watching this, clean your room. This is your sign to clean your room. Because if I have to clean mine, y'all have to clean yours. Let me show you guys the grand before of my room. How messy it is. Don't judge me. I know y'all gross too. Don't come at me. Because I know y'all have had a nasty room before too. So let's do this. First we have over here. Look how disgusting my floor is. Do you guys see the spit all over the ground? This is the joys of living with a husband. My bed is disgusting. There's a ketchup stain from eating french fries right there. Again, thanks to my husband. Over here, there's more mess. My TV stand, horrific. This is my side of the bed. Also, another ketchup stain from my husband. More garbage over here. And this is the room that we are dealing with. Also, my closet does need to be cleaned up. There's just some clothes on the ground. That needs to be organized. And that needs to be organized. But this is the overview of my horrific room. I'm in the middle of changing my bed frame to this color from that color. Used to be gray, now I'm doing that color. Have not finished. This is pretty embarrassing. I don't want to do it. I'm currently watching Pretty Little Liars. I'm on season 1, episode 2. And all I want to do is watch Pretty Little Liars all day and not clean. But my room is disgusting, so I guess we should just start. I feel like this video is going to have a lot of time lapse, so prepare for that because I'm going to watch my show while cleaning and you guys should do the same thing. Watch me while cleaning. And also time lapse are my favorite thing, so if you don't like it, click out of this video. I'm like really procrastinating and not wanting to do this, but let's do this. Honestly, I'm feeling like I should start with this shelf because honestly it seems like the easiest task to do right now. So I'm gonna start with this shelf. It looks like this. Pretty gross, right? Let's get started. I just bought like a bunch of new books by Colleen Hoover, Obsessed, and I need to like reorganize this huge ass mess going on here. So let's do that. I always find an empty bag for garbage, so let's fill this up. This does need to be in here. I always keep one scrunchie and one hair clip here, so I'll do these two. My new birth certificate doesn't need to be in here. I keep my charger. I don't need this. I don't know why I have toothpaste in my room, but I don't need this in here. My fan remote can stay. My wallet can go. Wow, that wasn't that hard. That took me like 2 seconds. I figured I could just like clean all the surfaces and then like wipe everything down, like my mirrors, my nightstands and stuff. Cause if it's clean, I feel like it'll be easier to wipe down. And also I'm too lazy to go get the wipes right now or else I'd just do it as I go. But like, yeah, let's keep going. Let's do my husband's nightstand, which is horrific. He literally has spits from eating spits and he just throws them on his nightstand and then they go all over the floor. This is what I deal with. Disgusting. So many juice boxes. And done. Let's procrastinate some more and then I'll clean something else. I think I deserve a break. Just kidding. No one deserves a break. Get to it. Also, I'm literally wearing this sweater and it's so hot. Like, Calgary's so hot. I want to like, you know, like, that's how I feel. Okay, guys, I changed my shirt because it's so hot. And before everyone comes at me saying that my shirt is inside out, it is literally like this. I'll put a screenshot right here of the shirt. It's supposed to be like that. Apparently, it's a fashion statement. I don't really understand it, but I didn't know it until I got it. And yeah, this shirt is not inside out. It's just the way it was designed. But next up on cleaning, I figured I could pick up all the garbage in my room. So I got a garbage bag. These garbage bags smell good. Let's pick up the garbage. Garbage! I'm getting tired already. Next is laundry because I seem to have a lot. Laundry basket, dirty laundry goes inside. Okay, next thing I figured I would do is water my plant. Again, the easiest task because I'm procrastinating. I have my water here. I just open it because I'm too lazy to get a water planter, a water waterer for plants. I don't know. I just pour it in there. I water my plants a lot. Just kidding. I water my little plant that I have not named yet once a week. The next thing I do is I have this spray bottle specifically for my plant, and I just spray all the leaves. My plant is thriving. I'm procrastinating so bad. I don't want to do anything else, but like I know I have to finish cleaning. I'm just so tired and I don't want to do anything else. Let's keep going because I need to finish. Okay, I just want to apologize. The lighting in here is crap, but I figured the next step could be me hanging up all the clothes that need to be hung up that I haven't hung up in forever. Yeah, let's do that. You know, it's so funny. I feel like literally 90% of my closet is from Shein. I feel like Shein should sponsor me since I spent like thousands of dollars on their clothes. I literally just made an order on Shein like 10 minutes ago, ordering more stuff I didn't need. But in all fairness, I do wear all of them. I might have a lot of clothes, but I literally wear everything that I own, which I feel like is a good thing. Okay, I'm done hanging up the clothes. Like I said, there was like none. Let's get back to my actual room and finish in there. Bed is made. I actually love these sheets. They're so comfy. They're from Amazon. They were so cheap. I got them as a gift for my wedding registries. They're actually so cute, and I love like the print. It's so like ruffled. Can you see that? And they're so comfy. Okay, we're making progress. Now I feel like because the floor is basically cleaned, it's time for me to like wipe down the mirror. I want to clean the nightstands. I want to wipe this down and wipe this down. And then I feel like after wiping down all the surfaces, all that's left is vacuuming. So let's wipe down the surfaces so we can vacuum and be done. Woo! That is disgusting, guys. From my mirror, that's gross. Apparently I need to clean my mirror more. That is nasty. So my husband went camping, so we are missing a pillow now because he took it with him to go camping. But other than that, there's no more spits on the ground. And the nightstands are clean. The mirror is cleaned. My nightstand is cleaned. Looking so good. Over here is cleaned and organized. Everywhere is cleaned. Okay, and after all that cleaning, my room is officially done. Woo! Party. Let me quickly show you guys the before and the after. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning my room video. I did not enjoy doing it because it was so messy and gross, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I really hope you guys like are motivated to clean your room or clean your bathroom or clean anything that needs cleaned, and I hope that you did it. And if this video motivated you, make sure to comment down below and let me know if it did, and subscribe to my channel because whenever somebody subscribes, it makes me so happy, and I post every single week, so stay tuned, turn on the notifications. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, let's see how long my room stays clean. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye.